a manager of yours. I'm just a huge fan of yours. So, how can I help? And this is Gib. Wait. He's gonna freeway exit. Give it a good shove. Okay. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Gib's gonna sneeze. Oh no. I'm gonna tickle Gib's nose. Oh no. Not just happening. Whew. That's close.